For decades, the US dollar has been the backbone of the global economy. In fact, several countries even use the US dollar as their official currency, like El Salvador, Panama, and Ecuador. Back in 1944, the Bretton Woods Agreement established the US dollar as the world's reserve currency. 44 countries agreed to a global monetary system that would be underpinned by the US dollar, which in turn was backed by gold. Narrator. However, that system was done away with in 1971. Historically, the US dollar has been a safe haven for international investors. In times of crisis, money often flows into the US dollar as investors seek refuge from trouble in other economies. Narrator. But in 2014, a huge turning point occurred. Russia and China looked to shift the paradigm. They no longer wanted to rely on the US dollar for international trade and investment. This trend is called de-dollarization, and it's happening everywhere. Narrator. Central banks bought gold at a faster pace last year than they have in any year since 1987. This signals a desire for countries to back their own currencies with gold rather than the US dollar. Today, trade is shifting away from the purview of the US dollar. Take a look at how the volume of Chinese-Russian trade denominated in yuan has spiked since the start of 2022. Other markets are also shifting to the yuan as China becomes a more influential superpower. Narrator. But this fight is far from over for the dollar. The US dollar still dominates foreign exchange reserves, but that lead is slowly being chipped away. Keep an eye on this space. The future of the US dollar's reserve currency status hangs in the balance.